Hello, in this video I'll tell you, does Logitech G413 TKLSE have dedicated app? Okay, so for many Logitech devices such as keyboards, mouses, headphones, we have the whole dedicated app called Logitech G Hub, but unfortunately when we download this app into our PC and when we install it, the app doesn't even recognize the keyboard. I mean, it does, but it says it doesn't support this keyboard in the app. So basically, we cannot use the app for this keyboard. All we need to do, and all the things that we can change this, we need to do by shortcuts and that kind of things. We don't have supported app. It simply doesn't want to work. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.